16 lawyers will appear and act as counsel for Vice President Sara Duterte in the impeachment trial against her. In the appearance ad cautelam submitted to the Senate Impeachment Court, the Fortun, Narvasa, and Salazar law firm named 12 of its counsels, led by founding partners Attorney Philip Siegfried Fortun and Gregorio Narvasa II. Fortun was one of the counsels of former President Joseph Estrada in his impeachment case. Duterte's other lawyers from the firm are Attorney Sheila Sison, Carlo Joaquin Narvasa, Roberto Batong-Bacal, Justin Nicole Gular, Lyndon Miguel Baquel, David Ronel Golia VII, Maria Celina Fortun, Clarlane Radok, Francesca Marie Flores, and Miguel Carlos Fernandez. 4 other lawyers who will represent Duterte are Attorney Mark Vinduan, Ralph Bodota, Michael Wesley Poa, former spokesperson of the Department of Education, and Reynold Monsayak, Duterte's former spokesperson. Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel once again questioned the impeachment court's decision to return the articles of impeachment to the House of Representatives, as this, he said, only opened the process to legal challenges. Pimentel, however, is not recommending the filing of cases which may possibly lead to delays.
Diretso lang sana, medyo lumiko ka, kumorbada ka, bumaba ka, tumaas ka. Di marami ngayon pwede maka-imagine ng legal issues. There is a basis to question, pero ako mismo, I will advise not to. Not to go to the Supreme Court because it may even be a trap. When you file, back down ka na ngayon sa court cases.
Any delay and even inhibition of senator judges will benefit the accused, according to Pimentel.
Kailangan all the members of the Senate and 2/3 doon ay magsabi ng guilty bago masabi nating na-convict ang impeached officer. So, kung mayroong senador na absent, may sakit, siraan tiyan, nasa abroad, nag-inhibit, lahat yung hindi counted na nagsasalitang guilty.
Pimentel believes the impeachment court should have just asked for information from the prosecutors. He also insisted that although the court is sui generis, or a class of its own, there are limits to what it can do, which contradicts the position taken by the Senate President and impeachment court presiding officer Francis Cheese Escudero.
Walang limitasyon ang impeachment court. Kaugnay ng pwede o hindi namin pwedeng pagpasahan. Nakalagay nga sa saligang batas, di ba? Sole power to try and decide. Sa aming rules o sa rules man ng rules of court, walang nakasa doon na bawal ka gumawa ng ganito o ganyan o ganoong motion. Lahat ng motion pwedeng gawin at pagbobotohan ng impeachment court.
Kung walang limitations, di wala ng oath, di ba? There's a constitution. Yun ang absolute rule na bawal i-violate.
Former Chief Justice and Philippine Constitution Association Chairman Reynato Puno also believes returning the Duterte impeachment complaint to the House is unconstitutional. Puno adds the Supreme Court can still intervene if the Senate's actions contradict the Constitution. He, however, warns this move could potentially delay the impeachment process.
Yung order to remand o to return to the House ay kontra sa ating saligang batas, kontra sa mga naging practices, traditions na nakita natin hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa Estados Unidos at wala rin yan sa Senate rules of impeachment. Ang isang dapat pag-aralan ay kung kaagad-agad bang pupunta sa Korte Suprema ay bibilis ang takbo ng proseso ng Senate Impeachment Court. Kung hindi po ito bibilis, ay yan ay kontra sa deterrence spirit ng ating konstitusyon, yung sa provisions on accountability of public officials, na dapat pag may question dyan ay madaliin ang investigasyon para mapanagot yung dapat mapanagot.
The spokesperson of the Senate Impeachment Court has addressed supposed delays in moving the process forward as more groups call for the trial to start. Attorney Reggie Tonggol points out the court has covered more ground in 1 week, citing the orders it issued to the House of Representatives and summons sent to the Vice President, among others. In a statement, Tonggol rejected claims the impeachment court is dragging its foot and reminded litigants they can seek redress in the proper forum instead of attacking the court. Meanwhile, Senator Judge Risa Ontiveros reacted to the Vice President's statement that if there are Senator judges who should inhibit, she should be included.
Bilang Senator Judge ay titignan natin ng maigi ang lahat ng ebidensya na ipepresenta sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte. Noong nanumpa kami bilang Senator Judge, naging tungkulin namin sa Senado na suriin at bumoto ayon sa bigat ng ebidensya na ilalahad ng magkabilang panig sa impeachment trial, kakampi man o kritiko ng pangalawang Pangulo.
According to Ontiveros, Duterte should answer the summons issued by the impeachment court. The Vice President has previously said her lawyers are already discussing this. Victoria Tulad, ABS-CBN News.
A broken democracy. An author of the 1987 Philippine Charter believes this is the handiwork of Senator judges in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Their handling of the impeachment complaint against the Vice President also denounced by a former Chief Justice and the newly appointed spokesman of the House Prosecution Panel. Vivian Gulia has tonight's top story.
The prosecution panel in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte has named its spokesperson, human rights lawyer attorney Antonio Odi Bucoy. Bucoy graduated from the University of the Philippines College of Law in 1984 and has been a litigation lawyer for 41 years. He is the managing partner of Bucoy, Poblador and Associates Law Offices and a professor of corporate and remedial law. The new impeachment prosecution team spokesperson has also been a member of the Free Legal Assistance Group since 1980 and of the Movement of Attorneys for Brotherhood, Integrity and Nationalism Incorporated, which are associations of human rights and public interest lawyers.